Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchayee Yojana (Pmksy) per drop more crop. What is the key objective of the scheme? The key objectives of the scheme are: increase the area under micro irrigation technologies in agriculture to enhance water use efficiency, increase productivity of crops and income of farmers through precision water management, promote micro irrigation technologies in water intensive consuming crops like sugarcane, banana, cotton, paddy, etc., and give adequate focus to extend coverage of field crops under micro irrigation technologies. Make potential use of micro irrigation systems for promoting fertigation. Promote micro irrigation technologies in water scarce, water stressed, and critical groundwater blocks or districts. Link tube well, river lift irrigation projects with micro irrigation technologies for best use of energy both for lifting and pressurized irrigation as far as possible. Establish convergence and synergy with activities of ongoing programs and schemes, particularly with created water source for its potential use, integration of solar energy for pressurized irrigation, etc. Promote, develop, and disseminate micro-irrigation technology for agriculture and horticulture development with modern scientific knowledge. What is the pattern of assistance? The pattern of assistance payable to the beneficiary under micro-irrigation is 55% of government's share, both central and state share, and 50% for other intervention activities, both central and state share. The beneficiary has to contribute 45% for MI systems and 50% for OI activities. What is the type of assistance entitlement? Subsidy assistance for construction of water harvesting ponds, tanks, and installation of drip and sprinkler irrigation systems. Who can apply for the benefits of the scheme? Bona fide farmers having cultivable land and engaging in agriculture. How to apply for the benefits of the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper through nearest Agriculture Development Officer of CNRD Block, Agriculture Circle of the concerned district. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? The concerned District Agriculture Officer, District Horticulture Officer is to organize a joint inspection with concerned Assistant Agriculture Engineer for feasibility of projects to be taken up. Based on their feasibility report, infrastructure development is taken up.